Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Assalamu alaikum.
assalam.
Noreen is here. Although I'm sitting with a doctor, but I'm trying my level best. Till then, he's not coming to office. Till then, I must attend the class. Let's see what's happened.
Very nice. That's the spirit I expect from my students. Um, they have to be punctual and attend the class. There is a small activity that we will conduct today. I will make your pairs and you have to write dialogues about the situation. Let everyone join in and then we will see how much we can correspond. Because I want to make you do some activity so that you can practice speaking. This is the fourth session and I welcome you all for this session. And in the first three sessions, we did about formal and informal introduction. And we also heard the phonic sound and we understand the different sounds. I actually want your reviews about it because if you don't practice speaking yourself, you won't.
Good evening.
Good evening. You won't
How are you?
acquire it in a way. Assalamu alaikum. Ji. Okay. Most of us have joined in. I'm waiting for Miss Tahira. Okay. Okay, let's start today's activity. What you have to do, first of all, you have to think about a situation. You have to think about a situation and then I will make your pairs and you have to write dialogues about that situation. It can be any situation. It can be like Miss Noreen is visiting a doctor and how is she going to communicate with the doctor? She can write about that. And
Okay.
Sir Asif can help her. So you will work in pair. And I can see Amina and Saima here as well. So Miss Amina and Saima, you can suggest me and give me a situation on which you have to write dialogue and then you have to act on those dialogue. You have to deliver those dialogue in front of the class. So this will be a short activity and then we will come to the main lesson. So I have given Miss Noreen an activity because she's already with a doctor. And Mr. Asif will talk to her and they will write the dialogues. And Miss Saima and Amina, you can suggest me, what you can do is you can think in Urdu. आप इवन उर्दू के अंदर सोच सकते हैं कि आपने किसके ऊपर डायलॉग लिखने हैं. ठीक है, आप जैसे कि आप मार्केट गए हैं, आप किसी शॉप पे गए हैं, आप शॉपिंग करने गई हैं ईद के, आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गई हैं, ठीक है, आपने एक सिचुएशन देनी है मुझे. इट्स अप टू यू व्हिच सिचुएशन यू फील इज इजी फॉर यू एंड यू हैव टू राइट डायलॉग. अगर आप लोग टीचर्स हैं तो आप टीचिंग के ऊपर डायलॉग लिख सकते हैं. यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ स्टूडेंट एंड हाउ यू मेक योर डायलॉग्स. ठीक है, तो आपने ये अभी करना है. अभी आपके पास 3 minutes हैं. यू हैव टू राइट डायलॉग्स. साइमन, आमना, आर यू विद मी?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, आपने सिचुएशन बतानी है मुझे, आमना और साइमा ने. एंड आसिफ, आर यू देयर?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, Asif, you have to talk to Miss Noreen. You can talk on chat or in a discussion, and you have to write dialogue. आप दोनों ने dialogue लिखने हैं, एक डॉक्टर बन जाए, एक पेशेंट बन जाए. आपने अपने अंदर dialogue लिखने हैं, सोचने हैं और बना के लाने हैं. 3 minutes है आपके पास. आमना और साइमा, आपके पास क्या सिचुएशन है? आपने एक रेस्टोरेंट को विजिट किया या आप एक स्टूडेंट से बात करें? जी साइमा.
I want to
Yes,
say that
Asif, are you consult with me?
Okay, I want to say that I have a topic to talk about, that both parents should work together, or one among them should go for a job if they have children.
Uh,
Both parents,
it's a
I
tricky
mean,
topic. It's a tricky topic. Just take a simple topic, Saima, for today. A very simple topic.
we can talk about the review of some restaurant, its
हाँ ठीक है,
services,
हाँ ये ठीक है.
its
आप आमना के साथ उससे
meal
डिस्कस
quality.
करें. हाँ, आप आमना के साथ डिस्कस करें और आप आसिफ उनके साथ डिस्कस करें. चलिए जी, start your word.
Ma'am,
Asif, kindly start discussing with me.
I want to say something. I want to
मैम
say something
एक्सक्यूज
from Miss
मी,
Nuri.
इस तरह से तो जंबल अप हो जाएगा सारा, मतलब एवरीबडी विल टॉक लाइक दिस, तो वो फिर जंबल अप हो
Then
जाएंगी
how
ना
can
चीजें.
we communicate?
It's okay. You can communicate like that. You can talk and just give ideas to each other, or you can chat. Walaikum assalam.
मैम ये एक्टिविटी हम व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कर लेते हैं, अभी आप हमें
हाँ.
करवा दें.
लेकिन मुझे थोड़ा सा अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
Actually, we can talk spontaneously also. We can write and after that we can share
लेकिन
in
मुझे
the
बस
WhatsApp
कुछ
group.
sentences चाहिए. I just need few sentences. मैंने आपकी sentence formation देखनी है कि आपकी sentence formation कैसी है. So even just give me 1 or 2 sentences of the situation that I have given you. Miss Tyra, we are doing an activity in which you will take a topic of your daily routine and you have to write dialogues on that. But you don't have a pair, so you can write yourself. Your situation is that you are talking to a student in a class. Okay, write few dialogues about that.
Okay.
So do individually, all of you. Okay, you all can do individually. Asif, your situation is that you are there with the doctor and you are talking to a doctor and he is examining you. Write few dialogue about it. Miss Amina, your dialogue is that
Okay, ma'am.
your situation is that you visited a restaurant, and what dialogues will you write? Miss Saima, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
choose your own topic and write dialogues about it. Okay, you have 3 minutes.
मैम इस पे एक सेंटेंस भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि आजकल कोविड-19 है तो प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में एक सेंटेंस बन के कि जरूरी है 3-4 बनाने.
G, 2-3 sentences are enough. 2 dialogues at least.
Right.
Assalamu alaikum, Fahim. You have just joined. You are late again. We are doing an activity. Are you there, Fahim?
Yes, ma'am.
We are doing a short activity. We are writing dialogues today. Situation I have given them. So for you, the situation is that you are teaching a class and you are talking to one of your students. So write few dialogue about it. And you have to speak in the class right now. Okay, you have 2 minutes.
Okay.
Sadia,
समझ आ गई आपको क्या करना है?
Sadia,
Did-
hello.
जी Tahira.
Sadia, my topic is talking to students in classroom. Talking or teaching?
Yes.
Talking.
Yes, talking on anything.
Okay.
Ji, are you done?
May I speak?
Yes, Amina. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. 2 sentence बने अब इसमें discuss.
ठीक है. Yes.
First है ना, in COVID-19 present situation, we can visit KFC with following SOPs following, like that we should use face mask, use of hand sanitizer, and should follow social distancing.
Amina?
माइंड में ये चीजें आ रही
Amina, you have to write a dialogue. Do you understand what is dialogue?
थी मैम देखिए जब हम-
मुकालमा करना है आपने एक सिचुएशन में मुकालमा करना है, जैसे
Dialogue.
कि आप मिली है किसी से, you go for a shopping and you met a shopkeeper there और आप उससे कह रही हैं अस्सलाम वालेकुम, he will say वालेकुम अस्सलाम, then you will write the dialogues
all right
on which this is
All right.
dialogue. Okay, yes. अच्छा जी,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
okay, you
Can I?
your turn,
can I-
Asif. Yes, Asif.
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yeah,
gone
I'm
on
taking my
doctor and
classes.
I have some dialogues.
Please be
For
on
example,
taking my class.
hi doctor, how are you?
Yeah.
Ji.
Doctor, I am feeling fever from last night, and I also have there is a swelling on my hand. I am feeling very cold from last night. That's all.
Okay. Okay, Asif, again repeat. Can you repeat, please?
Hi doctor, how are you? Doctor, I am feeling fever from last night, and also there is a swelling on my hand. I am feeling very cold from last night. Please check me.
Yes. Okay. Your structure of sentence is right. ठीक है, शाबाश. Well done. Okay, next.
Me,
Yes. Okay, please go ahead.
Tahira. Yeah. Assalamualaikum class. Walaikum salam, ma'am. How are you all? We all are fine. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about some books. Do you have any new book? Did you bring the new books with you as we discussed yesterday to discuss on it? Yes, ma'am. I brought Harry Potter. Oh, why Harry Potter? Because I like superstitious things. Okay, fine. Show me, please. That's all.
All right. You have to
Thank you.
send me the screenshot of these dialogues. Okay, I will see if I miss some error into it. Okay. Yes. Fahim, it's your turn now.
Okay. ये बंद करो.
Ji Fahim, kindly mute your screen. Ji
Yes, ma'am.
Fahim, your turn, beta.
जी मैडम.
Tell me your dialogues, what you have written. जितना भी लिखा है, एक दो लाइन जितने भी लिखे हैं, it's okay.
सॉरी मैम, मैं लेट ही ज्वाइन किया, पता भी नहीं चला क्या आपने टॉपिक क्या यूज किया.
मैंने ये टॉपिक दिया है कि आप क्लास में अगर किसी स्टूडेंट के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, आर यू अ टीचर?
Yes.
सो हाउ विल यू टॉक टू हिम? कैसे बात करेंगे? जैसे अब मिस ताहिरा ने भी एक हमें सैंपल दिखाया है, तो आप एक या दो जुमले बता दें कि आप किस तरह बात करेंगे उनके साथ. यस, यू कैन डू इट, आई नो.
Yes. Ma'am, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahim. And how do you?
How do you do?
Yeah.
You are talking to the students, you are teaching them, यानी आप क्लास के अंदर हैं, आप बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, तो आप क्या कहेंगे उनको? इसके ऊपर आपने सोच कर डायलॉग लिख के मुझे भेजने हैं, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ कम टू, प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड टुडे my focus is to help you making right sentences and apply them in our daily situation. If you talk to someone in daily situation, how you will correspond to them. You have to practice these sentences. I will be sharing this video in WhatsApp group as well, and you have to practice it. I just wanted to see how much do you know. अब आप इसको watch करेंगे, you will watch this video and you will learn new ideas, and in the light of these ideas, we will do this activity again. Okay? So please watch it.
All right.
If you have to find a way and you are asking someone, you are lost somewhere and you have to find a way, you will say, excuse me, can you tell me where South Street is, please? So this was one of the situation. Okay, he was finding a way, and now he's finding a way to the station.
Now you can work it.
So see, when you are asking someone to direct you and you have to reach to a destiny, how you will direct, how you will help someone, and you have to give instructions directly in that. Turn right, go to left, go right, and then turn. You have to be particular and you have to give instruction in that way. So these are 4 situations that we have gone through. You have to write these dialogues and we will continue in the next class. Now, we come to the next activity.
Ma'am, I have a question for you.
Ji Asif.
Ma'am, can you clear that what kind of dialogue we have to write about these situations that you have? Tell us.
I will
What
tell
kind
you,
of,
I will give you a situation and you have to write dialogue on that. Okay, there are 44 topics in this video which I am sharing with you. So you can choose any
Okay,
one
ma'am.
of this topic, or you can take a topic of your choice and write dialogue on that. Fine?
Clear, ma'am. Clear. Thank you very much.
Okay, fine. That's great. Where are my other sharing? Were you able to listen to the sounds of those videos that I have shown you recently?
No.
There was no sound.
Oh, there was no sound. Sorry. So look at those videos again then.
1. Asking the way. Conversations. Listen. 1.
Excuse me, can you tell me where South Street is, please?
Take the second on the left and then ask again.
Is it far?
No, it's only about 5 minutes walk.
Many thanks.
Not at all. 2.
Excuse me, please, could you tell me the way to the station?
Turn round and turn left at the traffic lights.
Will it take me long to get there?
No, it's no distance at all.
Thank you.
That's okay. 3.
Excuse me, but I'm trying to find the town hall.
Take the third on the right and go straight on.
Should I take a bus?
No, you can walk it in under 5 minutes.
Thank you very much indeed.
That's quite all right. 4.
Excuse me, please, could you tell me how to get to the town centre?
First right, second left. You can't miss it.
Is it too far to walk?
No, it's only a couple of 100 yards.
Thanks very much.
It's a pleasure.
2. On a bus. Conversations. Listen. 1.
Does this bus go to the station?
No, you'll have to get off at the bank. The bank can take a 192.
Can you tell me where to get off?
It's the next stop at 1. 2.
Am I okay for St. Mary's Church?
No, we don't.
Okay.
मैम वीडियो में डिस्टॉर्शन आ रहा है.
हाँ जी, I guess lagging हो रही है. So I'll share this video with you in the WhatsApp group and you have to listen it carefully. There are 44 topics in this whole video and you can, and then you have to select your own video and then you have to tell me and write the dialogue. This is your task for today. Now we come to another video that is about alphabets. And I have given you, I have already shared this video in the group and I told you to listen to it and then we will discuss it in the next class. So what did you find in this video? Can you share with me? G, who has watched the video? In which it's about phonics and alphabets. How many alphabets are there in English language?
English can be confusing. We know.
Can you tell me
26.
how many letters are there in English language?
26.
26.
Can you tell me?
Gigi, out of 26, how many are vowels?
26. Yeah.
Primary colors.
5.
5.
5.
5 are vowels. And can you name the vowels?
A,
E, I, O, U. A, E.
Yes, take it, pronounce it properly. A, E, I,
E,
O,
O,
U.
O,
Yes, you have to
U.
move your mouth and pronounce them properly. All of you practice this. A,
E, I,
A, E, I, O, U.
U.
Okay, so all of you, Asif, you have to practice as well. Fahim, I don't hear your voice. A,
A,
E, I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
These are 5 vowels, and rest of the letters are called consonants.
Consonants.
Consonants. Consonants are b, k. K has 2 sounds, s and k. C.
Yeah.
Letter C has 2 sounds, k and there are 21 consonants. Okay? यानी vowels के अलावा
Consonant.
जी Miss Tahra?
We all the time saying consonant, and consonant is a different
Correct
pronunciation. But
pronunciation.
Consonants. Consonants. They're consonants.
Consonant.
Okay? Consonants.
Okay.
Yes. They're consonants and phonemes, and they are. ये आपके pronunciation सही करनी है ना आपने. That's why you joined this course. Okay. So the main topic that you have seen, the main summary of this video is that as there are 3 primary colors, in the same way there are 25 letters of English language, 26 rather, and out of those letters we make words and sentences. Okay, we quickly go through it. आपने इस वीडियो को watch किया था? Have you? ये देखें ये alphabets आगे सारे.
Mix them correctly, and you will be able
Colors.
to and say the more than 40 different sounds of English.
And you can make 40 different sounds of English out of these alphabets, and thousands and millions of words you can form out of them.
English can be confusing. We know.
I will recommend you a movie, My Fair Lady. Have you seen that movie? Anyone? It is based on the novel Pygmalion by Bernard Shaw.
Can you tell me?
And please watch.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me again the name?
My Fair Lady. My Fair Lady. Okay, it is based on Bernard Shaw's novel Pygmalion. Please do watch this movie. In this, Bernard Shaw was a linguist, and he took a challenge of training flowers.
Ma'am, your sound is not clear. Your sound is not reaching properly. It's breaking.
Can you Simon?
Sound. You're not audible.
On becomes one. One becomes phone. And why do different letters make the same sounds? Root and
Sound is scratching. It's not clear.
your speakers can also get confused. We misspell words all the time, but don't worry. If we learn English, anyone can. If you watch these
I guess there is
we'll learn new words.
offense free.
Music.
Because we want you to learn quickly, you won't see every English letter and sound combination in this video series. But we'll show you some words that break the rules, and you'll be learning more than enough to teach yourself.
I think our
Now sit back. and relax.
Maybe. Miss Sadia?
cannot hear us. Now.
You
Miss
can also
Sadia?
watch this
Miss
video
Sadia?
later.
Excuse me, Miss Sadia? Hello? We didn't hear single words. Single word, yeah. We didn't hear. Just the
Okay.
change of screen.
I don't know. Can you hear it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you can't hear it.
Miss Noreen, how is your kid? Doctor said.